Welcome to exercise 5.4, configuring a file access auditing, which is found in Configuring Advanced Windows Server 2012 Services, R2, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course in Preparation for Exam 70-412. We are currently working within Lab 5, which is Configuring Advanced File Solutions, and this again is exercise 4. And in this exercise, you're going to use a group policy to enable file object auditing, and then enable that auditing in a folder. Specifically, we're going to look at the components that must be configured to enable auditing of a file or a folder. The approximate lab time for this is about 20 minutes, but we've been going a little bit faster than that, so we'll see. So we're going to start by going into our RWDC01 and going into our Server Manager and Tools. So let's go there. So RWDC01, File Manager, minimize. Okay, so we're in our File Manager. I'm going to expand this and just click on Tools. Go into Group Policy Management. And then we're going to expand the domain controllers. And then we're going to right-click Default Domain Controller Default Policy. So right-click, and we want to go into Edit. We're going to expand the computer configuration, which it already is, and then expand Policies and Windows Settings. Make this a little bit bigger. And then expand Security Settings. And then Advanced Audit Policy Configuration. Audit Policies. And then select Audit Policy. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this for now, expand this. Okay, we're going to go over here to Object Access, and then double click Audit File System, which is right here. Then the Audit File Share Properties dialog box is going to open. Now we're going to click to select Configure the following audit events. And we want to select both success and failure. And then click on OK. We're going to close the Group Policy Management Editor. And then close the Group Policy Management. Okay, now we're going to flip over to Server 1. And then open up the File Explorer. Minimize this, get it out of the way. And click on C Drive, Shared Folder. Oops. Right-click Properties. We're going to click on the Security tab. Click on the Advanced button. We want to click on the Auditing tab. And we're going to click on Add. And then select a principal. we want to type in domain users and then click on OK. And then for type, we want to select all. For permissions, we want to select full control. Oops. And then we're going to go ahead and click on OK. On the advanced security settings, we want to enable replace all child object entities. And then click on OK. And then OK. And then we want to open up a command prompt. So right click, command prompt. And we want to do GP update space / force. Enter. Okay, user policy update has completed successfully. So we'll go ahead and close out of this now. And we're going to go to the shared folder again. Right click Doc1, choose delete. Go into the server manager, click on tools, and then event viewer. We're going to expand the Windows logs and click security. We're going to look for entries that indicate that someone tried to delete a file or actions that involve the recycle bin. So if I sort by task category, sort by date and time. All right, we're going to go ahead and close out of the event viewer and close out of Windows. I already closed out of the Explorer. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this lab. And the end of this video.